going to show you the artwork of Safe Girl, how to draw it. It's very simple and it's very easy. Even your 3-year-old can draw this. First I'm going to show you the original artwork which I had drawn and painted. So this is the original artwork, Safe Girl, and this is the first artwork in my art series, Women's Rights and Empowerment. If you have not seen the art series, please do see that. Here is my video for that. And I'm also putting the video link in the comment section. So in this artwork, I'm showing this mom and I'm showing this as a cover page of a book. Now you can see that a mom is holding the baby girl in her womb. So this is the very first artwork of Safe Girl. So now let's see step by step how this simple artwork of Safe Girl can be drawn. And you can use a different background. My daughter, when she was 6-year-old, she had drawn the art of Safe Girl inspired by my artwork. I'm going to show you that as well. So keep watching this video and do watch this video till the end. So now I'm going to show you the artwork of Safe Girl, how it is to be drawn. It's very simple. Even if your child is 3-year-old, I'm sure he will be able to draw this. So let's see step by step. Please watch it carefully till the end and let's see how it is. So the very first thing that we have to draw is drawing an L. An L has to be drawn little bit tilted. So this is the L that we have drawn. Now we have to use this side to draw the next step, which is drawing an R. And how it is to be drawn, let's see. 1 and then draw this. So we are showing the front of a woman who is holding a baby. Step number 1, drawing an L, then drawing an R. So these are the two simple steps. Now we have to use the end of the L as one side of the hand. So next step is drawing the hand. So now you are seeing this, how it is progressing. First drawing an L, then drawing an R, and then drawing the hand. Now we have to draw the neck. So slightly, neck is little bit thinner than the hand, so we have to show it like this. And the next step is drawing the face. So this is the face, and now we are just showing some portion of the eyebrow. Then drawing the hair. Step 1. And however you want to show this. Very simple. Let's see it once again. First drawing L. I'm going to write down the steps for you. And now to show the baby girl, let's draw a nice heart. So that's it, very simple. We are not showing any expressions here. However, the important topic is to show the girl child. So very simple art, step by step. Your child will be able to draw it and you can decide the background for this. Like in my artwork, I had shown the cover page of the book and you can show this with any of the background. Did you like this? I'm sure you'll be able to draw this. As promised, I'm going to show you the artwork of my daughter when she had drawn this when she was 6-year-old, inspired by my artwork of Safe Girl. So this is the artwork of Safe Girl which she had drawn. She had changed this background to show it as a mom and with the background of earth. She wanted to show it as a art to bring peace. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because there is more to come.